welcome. This is part 1 of our barn series, and it is demolition day. This has been on our project list for a very, very long time. It's been an eyesore on the farm, and we're pretty excited to get it down. The cows thought the world was coming to an end. They really freaked out about the noise. It was pretty loud. They got used to it. They were entertained for a little bit and were watching, make sure we were doing it correctly. This barn was a 3-sided shed, which served its purpose. We always had it full of equipment and things that needed to stay out of the weather, but it had a lot of damage from carpenter bees. The female bees go in and bore holes into the wood, and they go in 3-4 inches inside and just pulverize the inside of the board. So there's a lot of damage that was done. They're pretty docile. Males, as far as I have read, they don't even have stingers, and you can identify them from the white marking on their head. And then the females just have a black head. So as he was tearing this down, he was trying to actually separate the metal a little bit, the metal from the wood. He was able to kind of pick off the 2x4s sometimes. Ultimately, the metal's going to go to scrap. There'll be some wood that can be reused, maybe for some small projects, and then there's going to be also a burn pile. I'll let you check this out, and a little later I'll share with you plans for the new barn. So looking forward, there's going to be a new barn going up, and it is going to be a 48 by 60 with a 12-foot front porch. There is a lot of earth moving that needs to happen, a lot of excavation work. Where the excavator is sitting at right now, on the right side, it's hard to tell from the video, but the land really slopes off down into the pasture. And that means a lot of fill dirt's gonna be coming in to get the site ready for the new build. The goal has always been to have a place to pull in, to maintain equipment on concrete, to store things. So this is going to work as a shop slash storage. There's also going to be an office, bathroom, lounge. And then in the future, if we decide to, we'll have space above to be able to put a mini apartment or storage, loft, whatever we decide to do that way. We counted about 600 ton to get this leveled and backfilled, which that was a ton of dump truckloads back and forth every day for several days and a lot of excavator time. So now it's all leveled out, ready for the next phase. Join us on the next video where plans become reality. Construction starts. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you soon.